Hi friends, today we're going to practice with some addition and subtraction facts and something called fact families. So first of all, let's start out with my cubes here. I have red cubes and I have blue cubes. Let's first of all count how many red cubes we have. We're going to use these to make some addition and subtraction sentences and use all the different number representations we've practiced, like number bonds and number sentences. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 red cubes. I'm going to start out on my whiteboard by making a number bond. If you have a number or a whiteboard at home or even a piece of paper, go ahead and write a number bond with me. So I'm going to do one circle and one of my parts is 4. Those are my red cubes. I have 4 red cubes. Let's look at how many blue cubes I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 blue cubes. So let's make another circle and make the number 5. All right, so we know a number bond is 2 parts that go together to make a whole. So let's take a look at our cubes and see how many we have all together or what our whole is. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 connecting cubes all together. So my 4 red cubes and my 5 blue cubes all together make 9 connecting cubes. So here's our number bond. So we can look at our number bond and we can know that addition and subtraction sentences can come from this. One of the addition sentences we can use is 5 plus 4 equals 9. Let's go ahead and write that number sentence. 5 plus 4 equals 9. We could also do it the other way, and we can switch our add-ins or our parts. We know that 5 and 4 make 9. We also know that 4 and 5 still make 9. I still have the same amount of cubes. So we're going to write the addition sentence to show that. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So it's a little hard for me to write upside down there. Let me try that again. I can do better. All right. So we have 2 addition sentences. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So here are our parts, and here is our whole all together. If we switch those parts, we have 4 plus 5 equals 9 for our second number sentence. All right, let's do a little bit of subtracting and taking away. So remember, when we're subtracting, we start with our whole, which is 9, and we take one part away. So I know that since I'm starting with my whole, I'm going to write 9 on my board for my subtraction sentence, since I have 9 cubes all together. So let's write 9 on our board or our paper. And since we're going to take away one part, we're going to use a minus or subtract sign. So 9 take away, I'll take away my red ones first, which there are 4 red ones. So I'm taking away 4. So 9 take away 4 equals my 5 blue ones. All right, we can do that again. We can make another number sentence because just like our addition, we can switch the parts around and have a different number sentence. So this time, let's put our cubes back together. And again, we're starting with our whole, how many we have all together. So we can start our number sentence with that number, 9 cubes to start. And this time, instead of taking away my 4 red, I'm going to take away my 5 blue, and then I have 4 left. So I'm taking away my 5 blue this time. So 9 minus 5 equals my 4 red left. So those are our 2 subtraction sentences that we can use with the cubes that I showed. If you look at the poster back here, it talks about our fact families, and I drew a house to remind us that fact families, kind of like our regular families, like our people families, have the same people. Fact families have the same 3 numbers. This time I used 4, 5, and 9. So I had my 4 cubes and my 5 cubes, and we practiced with a number bond. 4 and 5 go together to make 9. I've also shown it here on a tens frame, 5 and 4. I've also shown it on my hands, 5 and 4. We can always use our hands as a great math tool when we don't have any other tools. And tallies. Those are all the different ways that we can show and represent numbers, whatever works best for us. So we can use any of those tools. A fact family has 2 addition sentences. You can see them here. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And 5 plus 4 equals 9. Again, we can switch our add-ins or our parts around, because either way together they both still make 9. Fact families also have 2 subtraction sentences. Here I have 9 minus 5 equals 4. So if I have 9, I take away 5, I'm left with 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So if I have 9, I take away 4, I'm left with 5. Just like on my hands, if I have 9, I take away 4, I'm left with 5. And the other way, if I have 9, take away 5, I'm left with 4. And for a fact family, we always use the same 3 numbers, 4, 5, and 9. Now remember, when you're practicing fact families on your own, for subtraction sentences, don't let them trick you. Those are tricky, but you're smart. You have a great math brain that's growing every day. So remember, in subtraction sentences, we always start with the whole because we're taking away one part. And also, whenever you do fact families, stop. And remember, good mathematicians go back and go, does that make sense? And they read their work. And I think, does that make sense? If I have 9, I take away 5. That makes 4. Yes, that makes sense. So I want to do that just in case I accidentally did something like 4 minus 5 equals 9. Wait, because I know that doesn't make sense. If I have 4, well, first of all, I can't even take away 5 from 4. But it sure wouldn't equal 9 because I'm starting with a small number and I can't get a bigger number when I'm taking away from a small number. So remember, good mathematicians always go, does that make sense? They ask themselves that question and check their work. All right, mathematicians, enjoy practicing fact families. See you next time.